Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, June 3, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, good morning. How's it going?
Morning, David. I'm good, just need this coffee to wake up.
Same here. I'm so tired. Too many late calls with clients.
I get it. Are you busy today?
Oh yeah, meetings all day. What about you?
Same, lots of project updates. I'm running from one meeting to another.
Oh, office life, right? At least we have this coffee break.
True, this is my favorite part of the day.
Hey, did you see the news about international politics this morning?
No, what happened? Tell me.
Well, there's a big story about a new trade deal between the US and China. They're trying to fix some tariff problems.
That's interesting. Do you think it will help businesses?
I hope so. Less tariffs mean better prices for my sales deals.
That's a good point. It could make projects cheaper for my team too.
Yeah, let's keep our fingers crossed. I need every deal I can get.
For sure. It's always about saving money in the end.
Totally. Hey, speaking of money, did you hear about the economy and tech news?
No, what's going on there?
The International Monetary Fund is worried about global growth. They say new tariffs might slow down the economy.
That's not good. Tech companies might struggle with costs.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. My clients won't buy if prices go up.
True, and my projects depend on tech tools. We need stable prices.
Exactly. I just want to close deals without all this drama.
I know. Global stuff always hits us in the office, doesn't it?
It sure does. Anyway, let's talk about something fun now.
Okay, what did you see?
There's cool news about culture and entertainment. A big summit for entertainment is coming next year in Mumbai.
Oh, really? What kind of summit?
It's called the Waves Summit 2025. They say it will boost the global entertainment business.
That sounds exciting. It could bring new ideas for media projects.
Yeah, and maybe more clients for me. Everyone loves movies and shows.
Always thinking about sales, huh?
You know me. I see a chance. I take it.
Fair enough. I like how it could create jobs too.
Oh, for sure. More jobs, more money, more coffee for us.
I like that plan. We need more coffee breaks.
Speaking of coffee, I need a refill. This cup is empty already.
Me too. Let's get some more before the next meeting.
Good idea. So back to that trade deal. Do you think it will work?
I'm not sure. Countries argue a lot about trade.
Yeah, I just hope my sales don't drop. I'm working hard for those numbers.
I understand. My projects need stable markets too.
Let's see what happens. Hey, about that economy news, are you worried?
A little if growth slows. Budgets get tight for everyone.
Tight budgets are the worst. No money, no deals.
Yeah, we'll have to plan carefully. My team is already stressed.
I bet. My clients are always asking for discounts now.
It's tough. We just have to keep going, right?
Right. Hey, let's talk more about that entertainment summit.
Sure, why not? What else did you read?
They say it's happening at a huge convention center. Big names will be there.
Nice. I wonder if they'll show new tech for movies.
Maybe. I just want to see if I can sell to those big names.
Always selling. But it could be fun to watch online.
Oh yeah, I'll watch it after work. Better than boring reports.
I agree. I miss fun events like that.
Same here. Hey, do you think our company will do something with entertainment?
Maybe in the future. It could be a cool project.
I'd love that. Something different from normal sales.
Yeah, a change is always nice. Let's see if it happens.
For sure. Hey, I'm curious. How do you handle all this global news?
I just read a little every day. It helps me plan my projects.
Smart. I only check news if it affects my clients.
That makes sense. We all focus on what matters to us.
Yeah, like coffee. Speaking of, this second cup is hitting the spot.
It really is. I feel awake now.
Good, because I have a big presentation soon. Wish me luck.
Good luck, David. You'll do great.
Thanks. What about you? Any big tasks today?
Just a long meeting with the team. We're planning next steps.
Sounds important. Don't fall asleep in there.
I'll try not to. Coffee will help.
It always does. Hey, let's chat more at lunch if we're free.
Deal. I'll see if I can step away from my desk.
Cool. I'll save you a spot. See you later.
See you later, David. Have a good morning.
You too, Alex. Let's get through this busy day.
Yes, let's do it. Catch you soon.
Hey, before I go, one last thing about that trade deal.
Sure, what is it?
I read that talks are still going on. No final decision yet.
Okay. We'll just wait and see then.
Yeah, waiting is all we can do. I hate waiting.
I know, but it's part of the job. Patience is key.
True. All right, I'm off to my desk now.
Me too. Let's get to work.
Catch you at lunch. Take it easy.
You too. Have a good one.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.